So this euro dollar analysis for Wednesday, the 18th of July. Now let's just have a look around prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price break above 1710. Briefly broke back down towards the after failing to get towards the 1728, we broke back down towards the 1710 where we did have the confluence 200 period moving average, had a subsequent break of 1728, weren't able to hold on to 1728, and now we've seen a breakdown from the well, I got 1709 marked out here, but in around that 1710 and a 200 period moving average confluence. We've had sell side momentum come into the market, and we do seem poised after trading beneath this 1660. We did mention as a possible area we could see a bullish bounce, but what we did see was a brief consolidation around 1660 before a subsequent breakdown. So if we are to see the fall through to the downside, we're looking to see our price direct was a 1612, an area previously found support before having this bullish move to the upside. And again, we'll look to see if we do see that bullish momentum come into the market at that 1612. Failure to hold 1612, the very next levels that we are looking at here to the downside are as follows. If we do fail to hold 1612, we're looking for price head down towards a 1578, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards a 1554, and if volatility allows, possibly even a move down towards this 115, which we found support from a daily chart perspective previously. If, however, we do turn around from where we are at present, or from the 1612, again we'll be looking to see our price direct towards the 1660 if we do encounter resistance at that level, while also being aware of the 400 period moving average sitting slightly below the 1680, which could act as a dynamic level of resistance here on the euro dollar, before possibly looking for a move back up towards our 1710 with the added confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level. Now let's just have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on this daily chart, we've had this move through 1771, brief pullback down towards that 1612, came within about a peep or so of that level. Saw a bullish bounce, failure in and around that, slightly above that 1728, in around possibly the 1750s or so, might be actually lower than that, from which we have seen sell side momentum come back into the market. So we have our highs, more recently we have a lower high, and we are seeing that strong sell side momentum follow through. Yesterday's candle did close near its lows. Fairly notable in terms of its size open to close range, and we are seeing that sell side momentum follow through. So at present we do seem poised for a test of that 1612, from which we previously posted this pull pin bar, and so we'll move to the upside. And again, if we did break down, do have to be aware of the 400 period moving average on the daily chart, currently sitting in around that 1578. Could be a further confluence increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce, but failure there could potentially see us head down towards the 115s, pretty close towards the 115s, around at 115.10s, 115.20, and we previously found support here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.